Welcome back to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and welcome back for Day 7. Today, we will embrace the power of vulnerability, a space where we let go of the need for perfection and simply allow ourselves to be. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow your body to soften. Take another deep breath in. Hold. And release any tension as you breathe out. Bring your awareness to your breath. There's no need to change it. Just observe. Vulnerability is not weakness. It is courage. The courage to be seen, to be real, to be fully yourself. As you breathe, notice any resistance within you. Perhaps a tightness in your chest or a holding in your shoulders. Without judgment, simply acknowledge it. With every inhale, invite softness. With every exhale, release any barriers you no longer need. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. There is no right or wrong, just presence. Now, bring to mind a moment when you allowed yourself to be vulnerable. Maybe you shared your truth, asked for help, or expressed your feelings openly. How did that feel? Perhaps there was fear, but also relief, connection, and growth. Breathe into that space. Honor the courage within you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any fear of judgment, hesitation, or weight holding you back. Before we close, set an intention to carry this openness with you. to allow yourself to be seen, to be real, and to be enough. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the space around you, the sounds, the gentle rhythm of your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a final deep breath in and exhale completely. Carry this sense of openness with you. You are enough just as you are. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. See you tomorrow for day 8